So if you're trying to connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone, and maybe you keep seeing a red exclamation mark with a connection failed, try again error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it. So this basically happens either when your AirPods is on pairing mode for a long time idle or for some minor glitch. So when it shows up, simply lock your iPhone, wait for around 10 seconds, unlock it, and then try again. If it still keeps showing up, so as I've told you, this might happen when your AirPods is on pairing mode and idle for a long time. Simply close the lid, wait for around 20 to 25 seconds, and then open the lid and try again. Just give your iPhone a forced restart. Press and release the volume up and down button and hold down the side or power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now after the restart, let's try again. So let's say your problem is still there, it still keeps popping up this same error over and over. So this might also happen for charging issues. So meanwhile, what you can do is just charge it for a while, like 5 to 6 minutes. If you're still not pairing with your iPhone, keeps popping up the same error over and over, let's reset our AirPods. This will definitely solve the problem. Make sure both the buds are inside the case, open the lid. When the LED is turned on, just double tap 3 times over the LED. It'll keep flashing orange LED, means the reset is in progress, and then it'll go straight into pairing mode showing this white LED. And after that, simply close the lid, wait for a couple of seconds, and then open it once again. Now try to pair it with your iPhone. There won't be any red exclamation mark pop up, and you'll be able to connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone without any problem. Thanks for watching.